I'm going to show you how to make slime. So let's get started. Sorry. You see, I already done put the stuff in there. Soap, shaving cream, Tide, and I also use so it can become slime. What you want to do now is just what I'm going to do right now is major sound. That is all you need. That is all you need to make your perfect slime. Then when you get done, see it's already starting to drip. See how it's trying to come together. Let's put it on here. And then when you get done, it's time to play with it then, because it got dry and everything. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys later. Goodbye.